Caminar. This is a simple one. I like this one. It's simple. Caminar means to walk or walking. Caminar, caminar. Right? Very simple. For example, siempre camino con mi familia cada tarde. Siempre camino con mi familia cada tarde. This means I always walk with my family every afternoon. That's a good hobby, and it's healthy too. It's something really healthy. That's something good. Okay, siempre, siempre, siempre means always. Okay, always. Siempre. Oops, yeah, there you go. Camino. Again, we don't have the personal pronoun here, but essentially you're saying yo. Siempre yo camino, or yo siempre camino. You can say it either one. You know, you can have the pronoun at the beginning of the sentence or kind of in the middle before the verb, the conjugated verb. Siempre yo camino. I always walk. Or you don't need it as well. I mean, you don't necessarily need to say yo. I always say that. But sometimes people ask me, why don't you have the personal pronoun there? Right? Well, that's Spanish, my friend. You don't need them. I mean, you need them sometimes to be very specific, but usually you don't need them. Okay. Con means with. Okay. Mi familia, my family, cada, every, tarde, afternoon. Okay? Siempre camino con mi familia cada tarde. I always walk with my family every afternoon. Okay, so caminar is a very common hobby, a very common verb, and this is something you gotta learn. You're gonna use this verb in Spanish very often. Okay, great. That's a great hobby too. I like walking. Me gusta caminar.